Calathea Musaica, also known as the network plant or mosaic plant, is a species of tropical evergreen plant native to Brazil. It is prized for its strikingly patterned leaves, which resemble a mosaic or network of green lines on a lighter green background. It grows to a height of 30 to 60 centimeters and has oval-shaped leaves with wavy edges. The leaves are held upright on long petioles, and the plant blooms occasionally, producing small, insignificant flowers. Calathea Musaica is a tropical plant that prefers warm temperatures and high humidity. It should be planted in well-draining soil, and its roots should be kept moist but not waterlogged. It prefers bright and direct light but can tolerate some shade. Calathea Musaica can be grown indoors or outdoors in warm climates and is generally low maintenance. It can be paired with other tropical plants that prefer similar growing conditions, such as ferns, bromeliads, and other Calathea species. It also pairs well with brightly colored flowers or plants with variegated leaves, which can provide contrast to its striking green foliage. Calathea Musaica is primarily grown as a decorative houseplant or as a landscaping plant in tropical climates. Its unique and eye-catching foliage makes it a popular choice for adding visual interest to indoor or outdoor spaces. The leaves are not edible and are not commonly used for medicinal purposes. However, some people believe that the plant has air purifying properties and can help to remove toxins from the air. Additionally, some cultures believe that the plant has spiritual or religious significance and use it in traditional ceremonies and rituals.